You really are a heel. You're as cuddly.
The Washington State Patrol, on behalf of the West Richland Police Department in Benton County, has issued an Amber Alert for a 14-year-old. Victim is a 14-year-old female named Emily Udall. Victim is 5 foot 1 inches tall, weighs 115 pounds, has brown hair and eyes. She is wearing a dark brown sweatshirt, black skirt, and white leggings. She was last seen on November 24 at 1500 hours. She is in the company of Roger Purazazaria, a 35-year-old male, who is 5 foot 7 inches, weighing 115 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. He is wearing a white sweatshirt with blue letters, CA, and black pants. They may be traveling in a blue 2006 Honda Civic 4-door. Oregon plate CK05169. If you have information, please call 911.